Hello mga kaliga, another alumni game has finished and we have Letran Periomoto District taking over San Sebastian K7 Construction in a score of 95-94. Together with me is the NCAA 2015 Finals MVP and also our best player of the game, that is Mark Cruz of Letran with 32 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists and 2 steals. Sir Mark, gaya nga po ng sabi ko, kayo po ang NCAA 2015 Finals MVP and that was your last win with Letran and this is your first time again to play for your alma mater. So, how does it feel to win again for your school?
Sobrang special din kasi yung mga kasama ko, yung mga kuya ko to sa Letran, legends like si Kosa Willie Miller. So, iba yung presence nila pag nandyan sila kasama ko and mas nabuboost yung confidence ko. So, very special to me.
Yes po, Sir Mark, kayo po ang youngest player here in the roster pero you've made the most impact. Well, we just wanna know what is your secret to maintaining composure, especially in the fourth quarter now that there's an exchange, consecutive exchange of baskets.
Yung will ko lang to win kasi knowing Letran, hindi kami talaga nagpapatalo. So, kahit tinambakan kami nung lamang sila nung fourth quarter pero hindi kami sumuko. So, nag-focus lang kami sa game plan and nag-communicate sa loob ng laro. Kaya yun, buti nakuha namin yung win.
Lastly, Sir Mark, may gusto po ba kayong i-shout out, batiin, or pasalamatan, lalo na po yung mga makakanood nitong video?
Okay. Sa wife ko, syempre sa walang sawang suporta, Cheska Cruz, maraming salamat kay God sa panalo and sa Letran community, sa mga teammates ko and sa Pinoy Liga Cup. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much din po for joining me here and again, congratulations Sir Mark Cruz. Again, that's all for our best player of the game interview. Hanggang sa muli, mga kaliga.